Hi there, boys and girls. I'm glad to see you today. I've got another book for you today. And it's another book about another grumpy animal. This is about a grumpy bird. Sometimes when we're stuck at home, we get a little bit grumpy. So I thought these books were kind of fun this week. So this book was written by somebody named Jeremy Tankard. And it's called Grumpy Bird. Oh, and there's Grumpy Bird. He's in his bed. And there's a little sign right here. It says, "Do not disturb." When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. "Looks like I'm walking today," said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. "Good morning, Bird," said Sheep. "What are you doing?" "Walking," said Bird. "Nice," said Sheep. "I'll keep you company." Bird walked past Rabbit. "Hi there, Bird," said Rabbit. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "It's no fun." "Well, I could use some exercise," said Rabbit. "I'll walk too." Bird walked past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "What does it look like?" "It looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "Walking?" guessed Beaver. "I love walking." Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why, does everyone want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" "Okay," said Fox. "Let's go." The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. "Hey, this is fun," said Bird. "Come on," said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. "Let's fly back to my nest for a snack." And so they did. It looks like Bird didn't even realize that he started playing a game with his friends and then he got happy. So maybe that's something you could try. Try and play a little bit of Simon Says with your family, and I bet you guys will start to laugh and have fun. Anyway, I'll talk to you again soon, guys. Bye!